Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we do all things beauty related here. We do unboxings, reviews, wear tests, tutorials, even some vlogs and things like that. So if that's something that you're into watching here on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells, because as I've mentioned in my last few videos, we have a big giveaway coming up. It's going to be up next week. You should be watching this on Sunday. It's going to be up next Sunday. So make sure you are subscribed and have that bell turned on for those notifications so you do not miss it. And if you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. Today we're going to be unboxing, or unbagging per se, our October Ipsy bag. And I get, it's actually the Glam Bag Plus that I get. So it comes in this big envelope here. And then this month we have this cute bag. It's kind of like vampire teeth and lips on it. I thought that was pretty cool for October and Halloween. The theme this month is Pretty Wicked. The first thing I see in mine is by Lovecraft Beauty. It looks like it's a eye brush set. So it's just a 4-piece set. It looks more like a detail brush set, which I really enjoy these type of brushes. They're better to really do those details. So it looks like this one here is a liner brush. Then we have a flat shader. Really love those for putting on metallics. And then one I don't have like yet, and I really am gonna use this one, especially with hooded eyes. It's a really small blending brush. So that really helps kind of get up in that non-existent underhood slash crease that we have and blend things out, or it could also help with like the inner corner or the under eye blending. So I will definitely get some use out of that one. I don't have one quite that small yet. And then we have this brush, which could be like a liner or brow brush, I guess. So I would probably use this for more like a shadow liner moment, because it would fit right there really well and it has that angle to it. So really digging those so far. I haven't tried them out and see how they work yet, but those are my type of brushes. We have by Wander Beauty a Staycation Hydrating Mask. The box looks like, mine came kind of beat up. The box did, but that's what the product looks like. Let's see what this says. It says minimum effort and maximum results. Has peptide, ceramide, and cranberry seed oil. It says book the ultimate hydration staycation with our intensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisturizer, and skin treatment. This powerful combination of peptide and ceramide helps to improve skin texture and prevent moisture loss for long-lasting hydration. Cranberry seed oil delivers potent antioxidant benefits and diminishes the appearance of fine lines to help improve dull-looking skin. I will definitely have to try that. I didn't know if this was going to be one that I put in my giveaway bin or not, but I think I'll try this, especially for winter, because my skin gets more dry in the winter months. So that would come in handy. Then we have by Duce. I never know if I say their name right. Is it Duce or Duce? Something like that. We've gotten a lot of stuff from them in the past in different subscriptions. This is their Posh Powder Palette. Outside of it. Oh no. This looks like something I can get use out of. There's the shades. Looks like it's a blush and highlighter palette. So you have 3 blushes on the bottom and 3 highlights on top. They don't swatch too pigmented, but I mean they do show up, so have a little bit of highlight on now, but I'm going to take the last one here and just see what it does. Definitely intensified it. I just like to take my sponge and tap over it to press it in because it's a little powdery, but definitely could work with it. Yeah, that's something I'll definitely get used out of there. And next we have by Araceli their BB brow pencil, or Beeb. I'm not sure how they pronounce it exactly, but it's in the shade Blonde, it says. It does have a spoilie on the end. Let's see what the shade looks like. Yeah, it looks about right. Light brown color. For my last item I got by Rena, or Rina, these names sometimes I don't know how they pronounce it exactly, but looks like Rina Beauty or Rena Beauty. It says it's their Lisa Rinna. Isn't she an actress? I'm pretty sure. Lisa Rinna Lips, it says. And it says mine's in the shade Guilty Pleasure. Oh, that's a pretty color. So it's a nice nude color. Cute packaging too. Do a quick swatch of that. Ooh, I love this color. It's like a dark peach nude, I guess you could call it. So I'll definitely get use of that, especially in the fall months. But that's all I got, guys, in my Ipsy this month. If you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy and you haven't already, I'll have a link down below where you can do so. This month, I'll say I was really satisfied. Usually I have at least one item that I'm going to put in my gift or giveaway bin, either because it just doesn't appeal to me or I already have something very similar or maybe the exact same thing. But this month they did really good. None of that going on. I'm keeping all of my products. I'm excited to use them. If you get Ipsy, let me know what you got down below and what you thought of this month's. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell before you leave if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one.